Welcome to Maryland Real Estate Professionals listing at 10221 Capitol View Road. We have an open house here every single day. With just a few hours notice, we can get the home ready for you to see. Just text Mark at 301-418-8640 to schedule your open house. Or write Mark at mdrepros.com and we'll get you scheduled for that open house right away. 10221 Capitol View is an amazing home. It's a lot larger than it looks on the outside. There are 6 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and so much more. Let's start with the parking. It's possible to park 6+ cars off-street on this wonderful property. Plus, in the back, there's a large, totally fenced-in yard with a good condition 6-foot privacy fence. The owner has just planted several trees, including fruit trees. There's a large covered patio, which is great for relaxing on in the spring, the summer, and the fall afternoons and evenings. Inside, there's a large open area that includes a living room, a sitting room, and it opens into a large spacious dining room. Moving into the kitchen, this is a kitchen most cooks would die for. Talk about space. There's room for an island and even a breakfast area if you want. This room could also be used as a breakfast area or converted into a large pantry. Bedroom 1 is on the main floor along with a full bathroom, perfect for those who struggle to go up and down stairs. Upstairs there are 4 bedrooms and 1 full bath. All 4 bedrooms are larger than your average home's bedroom. Plus, the bathroom has just been completely remodeled and ready for the new owner. Downstairs there's a newish washer and dryer that will stay with the home and a spacious bedroom with a full bath that has just been remodeled. This is the perfect commuter location for the DC commuter. It's close to everything, but it still has a feel of privacy. This is an amazing home. Don't let it slip away. 10221 Capitol View. Contact us today for the open house tour or contact your agent to schedule a time to look at it.